Welcome to EDU World Space.
In this question, we are given the velocity vector of a small toy airplane. Okay, we want to find the time, okay, at which the velocity and acceleration are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so to solve this problem, okay, first we need to find the acceleration of the plane. So we'll be using a equals to dv dt. So by writing down this equation, this means that ax is equal to dvx dt and ay is dvy dt. Okay, so ax is dvx dt. This is ddt of 1.20t. This is 1.20 meters per second square. Ay is dvy dt. So ddt of 12 minus 2t, this gives minus 2 meters per second square. So the vector A is equal to minus 1.2 I hat plus, no, wrong, 1.2 I hat minus 2 j hat meters per second square. Okay, so to find the time that the velocity and acceleration are perpendicular to each other, so we'll do dot product. Okay, so perpendicular means that v dot a is equal to 0. Okay, so we just write down the velocity vector. Okay, so we have v dot a equals to 1.2 t I hat plus 12 minus 2t j hat, a dot with 1.2 I hat minus 2 j hat. Okay, so we have 1.2 square minus 12 minus 2t times 2. Okay, so you just keep doing, and then you get simplify. Oh, there's a t here. Okay, so you have 5.44 t minus 24. Okay, and this is equal to 0, so t is equal to 24 divided by 5.44, and this gives us 4.41 seconds. Okay, so this is the answer for this question, and that's all.